You think you know your car? You drive it every day. But what if I told you there are buttons, levers, and simple hacks, all right there in the open, that you completely ignore? These aren't secret features, they are basic, 100% obvious functions that your owner's manual clearly details. Most drivers only use about 30% of their car's true capabilities because they skip the manual. Today, we're unlocking the rest. We're counting down 18 essential, simple car functions that will instantly improve your daily driving experience, save your life, protect your paint, and give you control. It's time to stop driving blind. It's time to realize your car is smarter than you think. Part 1. The Essential 9 Features Everyone Should Master. These 9 are critical for safety, efficiency, and day-to-day sanity. Your manual covers them, but your memory usually fails. 1. The fuel door arrow, the obvious icon. The function, it's the arrow next to the gas pump icon on your dash. The reality, this is a basic orientation symbol. It points to the side of the car where your fuel filler neck is located. Why it matters. Stop pulling up to the pump and sticking your neck out the window. This saves you the embarrassing gas station U-turn and ensures you park on the correct side every time. 2. The sun visor side slide, the side glare defense. The function, your sun visor detaches and swings to the side. The reality, the visor is mounted on a hinge that allows it to unclip from the ceiling hook and swing 90 degrees to cover the side window. Why it matters, the sun glaring through the side window can completely blind you in intersections. Use this feature to block that dangerous side glare, maintaining full visibility and safety. Third key, fob window control, the summer dump valve. The function, using your key fob to roll down all your windows. The reality, this is a programmable comfort feature. Press and hold the unlock button to roll them all down. Why it matters, on a blistering hot summer day, use this feature to dump the heat before you get in. It saves your AC compressor from working overtime and cools the cabin down instantly. 4. Headrest removal for emergency, the built-in breaker. The function, your headrests are designed to be removable. The reality, there's a button or latch at the base of the headrest post to slide it out. The manual describes this as the emergency escape tool. Why it matters. The heavy metal posts are a life-saving tool. If you are trapped in your car, the metal post is strong and sharp enough to wedge into the door seal or the corner of the window glass to break it open and escape. 5. Shift lock override, the tow truck savior. The function, a small, often hidden slot near your gear selector. The reality, this slot allows you to shift the car into neutral, N, without the engine running or key in the ignition. Why it matters. If your battery dies, you can't electronically shift into neutral. Using a key or screwdriver in this slot frees the transmission, saving you from expensive dolly towing charges. 6. Door handle, keyhole, the dead fob, backup. The function, a removable cap on the front driver's side door handle. The reality, this cap hides a traditional mechanical keyhole, a necessary backup for when the electronic system fails. Why it matters. Don't get stuck outside your car. Pry off the plastic cap to expose the mechanical lock, allowing you to manually unlock the door when your key fob battery is dead. 7. The seatbelt lock mechanism, the child seat anchor. The function, your seatbelt can be manually locked to stay taut. The reality, pull the seatbelt all the way out until you hear the mechanical ratcheting sound. The locking mechanism is engaged. Why it matters. This is essential for installing child safety seats. It locks the belt in place, eliminating slack and ensuring the seat is immovable for maximum child safety. 8. Digital speedometer display, the accuracy check. The function, accessing a digital readout of your speed. The reality, many modern cars allow you to cycle through the options menu on your dashboard display to show a precise digital readout of your speed. Why it matters. The digital display is usually more accurate than the analog needle. Use it to ensure you are meeting precise speed limits and avoid speeding tickets. 9. Headlight switch parking light, the roadside marker. The function, the first setting on your headlight dial, often marked with small outward pointing lines. The reality, this activates your parking lights. These are dim lights designed to make your car visible when parked on the side of a road in low visibility. Why it matters. Never park on a shoulder or roadside curve at night without making your car visible. Use these lights to mark your vehicle for safety. They draw minimal power compared to your full headlights. Part 2. The Deep Cut 9, the maintenance intelligence you ignore. These features relate directly to maintenance, mechanical efficiency, and avoiding common mechanic upsells. 10. PCV valve rattle check, the engine pressure relief. The function, the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, manages engine pressure. The reality, you can check the health of this vital, inexpensive part yourself. Locate the valve, pull it out, and shake it. Why it matters. A clogged PCV valve builds pressure, leading to blown gaskets and expensive oil leaks. If it rattles, it's working. If it's silent, it's clogged and needs replacement. A $15 part to prevent premature engine death. 11. Brake pad wear indicators, the squeal, the early warning system. The function, built-in indicators on your brake pads. The reality, this is a deliberate safety design. A small metal tab contacts the rotor when the friction material hits about 3 millimeters of remaining thickness. Why it matters? That high-pitched squealing sound when you slow down is your car telling you, I am safe right now, but I need new pads within the next 1,000 miles. It's an alert designed to prevent you from grinding metal on metal, which ruins the brake rotor. 12. Cabin air recirculation for AC efficiency, the quick freeze hack. The function, the button showing a curved arrow inside a car, recirculate. The reality, this function stops pulling hot, humid outside air and recools the air already inside the cabin. Why it matters? This makes your AC system exponentially more efficient, and it's essential for blocking outside pollutants. Use recirculate to avoid the plume of diesel smoke, block pollen during allergy season, or seal off that awful smell from the local factory or dump. 13. Winter wiper position, the snow day prep. The function, a dedicated service position for your wipers. The reality, on many modern cars, the wipers tuck below the hood line when off. To change them, turn the ignition off, then immediately tap the wiper stalk up. They will move to a vertical service position. Why it matters? This allows you to lift the wipers off the glass to prevent them from freezing to the windshield in winter, and allows you to easily change the blades without damaging your hood. 14. Air filter location, self-service. The function, the large plastic box under the hood. The reality, this box contains your engine air filter. It's held on by simple clips or screws. Why it matters? Changing your air filter is one of the easiest DIY jobs. Knowing its location and how to access it allows you to check its condition monthly and avoid being scammed into unnecessary replacement. A favorite mechanic upsell. 15. Oil cap and dipstick markings. The function, the markings on the oil fill cap and the dipstick. The reality, the oil cap clearly specifies the correct oil type, e.g. 5W30, for your engine. The dipstick shows two lines, the ADD line low and the FULL line. Why it matters? Knowing the correct oil type prevents misfills that can damage your engine. Knowing the dipstick lines allows you to check your oil level yourself, preventing catastrophic engine failure due to low oil. 16. The tire valve cap tool, the integrated maintenance kit. The function, the cap covering your tire's air valve. The reality, some metal or plastic valve caps have a small notch or flat section. This is a simple tool designed to help you remove the Schrader valve core, the tiny pin inside the valve. Why it matters? It's a tiny free tool that eliminates the need for a separate valve core removal tool, allowing you to fix a minor air leak caused by a loose valve core. 17. The dashboard light brightness control, the fatigue killer. The function, a small dialer button on the lower dashboard panel. The reality, this controls the brightness of your gauges and internal screen lighting. Why it matters? Driving at night with the dashboard lights too bright causes eye fatigue and makes your eyes slower to adjust to the dark road outside. Dimming the internal lights improves your external night vision and reduces driver fatigue. 18. The auto-dimming mirror sensor, the unseen blocker. The function, a small sensor built into the front of your rearview mirror. The reality, this sensor detects bright light, like headlights, coming from behind you and automatically darkens the mirror glass. Why it matters. If you block this sensor, the mirror will not dim, resulting in blinding glare from the car behind you. Keep this sensor clear for safe night driving. Part 3. Master the manual and the fuse box hack. You need to know your machine better than anyone else. The owner's manual is not a suggestion, it's the cheat sheet to your car's true capabilities. 1. How to actually read the manual. Don't read it front to back. Use the table of contents and index. If you have a question about the trunk, look up trunk. If you wonder where the air filter is, look up air filter location. The manual is categorized by system, safety, controls, maintenance, etc. Learn the structure and you'll instantly find the answers to 90% of your maintenance questions. 2. Digital manual access. If you lost the book, every manufacturer has a digital version online, PDF, that you can download to your phone. Use your phone's search function, Control F or Find, to instantly locate information on fuse box, towing, or coolant type. This turns a 2-hour search into a 2-second one. 3. The fuse box hack. The ultimate tip. The fuse box is a roadmap to your car's electrical brain, and it contains your ultimate self-diagnostic tool. Location. You usually have two. One under the hood for engine components, and one under the dash or side panel for interior accessories. The power map. The inside of the fuse box cover is a diagram that tells you exactly what every single circuit does, from the radio to the fuel pump. It tells you which fuse powers which system. The DIY diagnostic. If your radio suddenly dies, you don't need a mechanic. You look at the fuse box cover, find the radio fuse, pull it out, and inspect the tiny wire inside. If it's broken, you replace the fuse. Your car has spare fuses built in. You just fixed an electrical problem for 50 cents in 5 minutes of time. Final word, master your machine. You spent thousands on your car. Don't be one of the drivers who ignores the basics. These 18 features aren't complicated. They are simple functions that your car's designers made obvious in the manual. They are tools for safety, efficiency, and longevity. By mastering these simple functions, you take back control from the manufacturer and the mechanic. You drive smarter, safer, and keep your machine running perfectly for years to come. Thanks for watching. If this video saved you an embarrassing gas station turn or helped you find a secret storage spot, hit the like button. Subscribe to Make Car Go for more straight-up car knowledge and drive safe.